The BERT is just another transformer-based large language model. And how can you pre-train it? You take all text that you can find in internet. You can take a sentence and take away one word out of this sentence. For example, the ground truth sentence is, let's stick to improvisation in this skit. And you mask one of these words and ask the model to predict what word should be there. And this is a probabilistic model. There is just a percentage. But of course, if you keep in mind that we have a vector of size 50,000, then 10%, it's very high confidence. In this case, there is just top n words which have this high probability, but the rest have probability around 0. That will indicate which word to select as prediction. And if it's correct, then weights of the network are updated in such a way that next time this probability will be a little bit higher, which is correct, and other a little bit lower, which are not correct. That's one way to pre-train such large language models. Another way to pre-train such models is, for example, to provide two sentences. There are two sentences. So the man mask to the store, then separation, and next sentence starts. Penguin mask are flightless birds, and end of the sentence. And then the task for the model is to predict, are those two sentences from a single chain or just taken randomly from somewhere in a text or in the internet? Well, probably you realize that those two sentences are from different places. So then the model has to predict that they're not next to each other. That's another trick how to train such models. Something that is simple to kind of label, because this is still, it's a label. We can call this BERT as a backbone model. And with that, the backbone model learns some general understanding about language. But this is a pre-trained model on a huge data set, which has a general knowledge about things, context, and about the language, but useless in terms of how to apply that. If you want to use it for some specific intention, for that, you need to fine-tune this model for this specific intention.